Hey my loves, let me ask you a question. Are you in the market for a new handbag? Do you need a workhorse that can transition from work to date night without a second thought? Are you ready to go luxury without breaking the bank? Well, stay tuned because I've got the perfect bag for you. Now this is not going to be a full unboxing because I actually already broke this baby in today. But that's actually a good thing because now I can give you a full review, show you the ins and outs of the bag, what fits inside, and how I feel about it after wearing it out for the day. So if you've been following Coach, last year was the year of the pillow tabby, and I think it's super cute. I actually considered getting it over this bag that I'm reviewing today, and I still might get one, but I digress. I think Coach did a great job playing with the pillow texture to revamp their tabby shoulder bag, and it went so well, people are still running to get a pillow tabby. So this year they figured it's somebody else's turn to get a makeover. So here she is. Let me introduce to you the Coach Pillow Madison. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by showing you the dust bag. She comes with a nice dust bag, white satin. Now, like I said, I already wore her earlier today, but I figured I'd get you started from the beginning. Now, I did not get a Coach box with this bag because I actually got this from Bloomingdale's. And the reason why was because the Coach store, I have two Coach stores that are near me, and both of them, neither one of them had this particular color in stock for me to pick up. I ordered the bag yesterday and I wanted to pick it up to be able to wear it today. I went out with my family for dinner and Bloomingdale's was the only store that had this color in stock. Here she is, the Pillow Madison. Now, I'm just gonna throw this dust bag down. All right, so this color, this is the chalk and brass. So the hardware is, they call it brass, but might as well just say gold hardware. So, and the chain is actually an adjustable, so you can wear it, you know, single chain. You would do either as a shoulder bag or crossbody, or double chain and, you know, drape it in a crook of your arm. And the Pillow Madison, this is the back. She has a magnetic pocket in the back, the clasp closing. So it turns and then pops open. And then once you pop her open, she actually has a main pocket. And then she has a second pocket, which is also a magnetic close. So she has two pockets, which I love. With this pillow texture, yeah, this leather, Napa leather, very soft, very pillowy. The cushion is just so, it makes the bag heavy, but the bag isn't bulky. And on the inside, even though it has the various padding and quilting on the outside, you still have so much room on the inside. And I'm gonna show you what can actually fit in here. So like I said, and the pockets are lined with, what is this? It's like a microfiber material. So it's lined and it goes on the inside as well. Lined with that microfiber material. The inside pocket, and I think I actually have something I left in there. Inside pocket is lined as well. And then the second, or the first flap, secondary flap is lined as well. All right, so I'm just gonna give you a quick show of what I'm able to fit in the bag. I'm actually just gonna put everything that I had in the bag earlier tonight when I was out. So the main thing is my wallet. Now this, don't come for me. This is just a wallet that I've had for a while. It will be replaced very soon. And to be honest, this is bigger than what I'm gonna replace it with. This wallet in particular, it's like double-sided. It has two sides to it. So one side is just cards and the other side, it has like two pockets. So this, like I said, is bigger than the wallet that I will be replacing it with, but I'm actually glad that I have this wallet for now because it's a good indicator of what I can fit into this bag, and it fits very easily. So the wallet, I would fit in the main part of the bag. Okay, so put that in there. This inside pocket, I actually put my lip gloss, just making sure it's closed all the way. So this is a marker, Sharpie writing pen. Those are in there. So those are in there. And there's still way more room to put anything else in there. Oh, actually, yeah, I had this in there too. These are just oil absorbing sheets. So I had this in that inside pocket as well. So pop that in there, and there's still plenty of room. So zip that back up. I always carry like a notebook. This is just a small spiral notebook I picked up from Staples. So this fits in the pocket with the wallet very easily. It doesn't stick out or anything like that. And that's actually everything that I put in that main compartment. And there's still room to get something in there, you know. This front pocket is actually where I put my makeup goods. But I had my powder brush, compact, my brow brush, little brush, lip pencil, and this is like a glitter lip gloss. That all fit in that front secondary flap, and it goes deep in there, so there's still room. You know, I could still pop some other things in there, whether it's makeup related or not, but definitely have room. As you can see, the metal closes very easily over it. It's not sticking out. If you see the bag is filled, but it's not, it doesn't get bulky. Close that front flap back up so you can see it while it's closed all the way. This back pocket here, magnetic. This is where I actually put my phone and my car keys. My phone is in a case. This is like the size of this is an Android phone, but I believe this one is like the size of an iPhone 11, but it easily fits in the bag. Now, I will say with this, the magnetic closure doesn't close all the way, but because my phone in itself is snug, it's not loose in here because it's in that secondary folio case, it's not gonna slip out. It's definitely not gonna come out. So even though my phone in particular, if your phone had a thinner case or maybe a silicone case, something that, you know, wasn't a folio case that actually closed around the entire phone, it would slip in there, and then this magnetic clasp would easily close. I'll actually show you. So this is my phone with no case. And I'm gonna put it in the bag, and the metal clasp closes down. So either way, my phone is secure. I'm pretty sure your phone will be secure too. I love the detailing with this strap. It's actually, I don't know if you can tell, bring it up close. It actually has the leather woven in with the metal hardware. So that's a nice detail. And again, I think that's something that they kind of modeled off of the Chanel bags. A lot of the Chanel bags with the straps have that leather woven into the metal hardware. So I think that's a nice touch. But this leather, like I said, is very beautiful. It has the quilting. A lot of care was taken with that. The stitching, the fact that the stitching goes diagonally. The clasp is super secure. My nails are regular length, so I don't have any issues opening and closing the clasp. Very secure. And then of course your Coach tag. This is something that all the bags have. It's squishy. It's like the pillowy tag too. So, how do I feel about this bag? I absolutely love it. This bag is a great size for me. It's actually something that I'm not used to because I'm used to tote bags, I'm used to laptop bags. I don't mind carrying this along with the tote bag because one thing about this bag is I drive a lot. So this bag is going to be able to have everything that I need in it to be able to just grab it and go. So whether I'm carrying this with my laptop bag, which, you know, will be a messenger style bag, or a tote bag, I'm actually looking for a tote bag, so that's what I'm looking for. So even if I happen to leave my tote bag behind and I'm just grabbing my purse can fit absolutely everything that I need in here. I wore it out today, and I wore it with this shirt that I have on, and I'm messy, so if you've seen the stain on my shirt, don't come for me. But I wore it out today, and it's actually a nice contrast. My shirt is a white satin, and this again, according to the website, is chalk. It's like a nice tan, ivory colored, but I love it. It's a great contrast. The bag itself, ultimate quality, and it holds everything I need. But this bag has a classic look, which is what I like about it. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. Yeah, to be objective, the bag with all my stuff in it, it does have some weight to it, and I love the versatility of it. I love the fact that I can go from a shoulder bag to a crook of my arm bag to a crossbody. You can wear it in the daytime. It's not too dressy for the day, and it's dressy enough to transition into the evening based on the hardware. This bag, it's a must get in my opinion. All right, so this bag retails for $495 US. I'll put a few links in the description below so you can check it out. I'll also put the link to the one that I got in particular from Bloomingdale's. So if you're in the market for a luxury bag, I suggest going with this baby right here, the Pillow Madison by Coach. So if you're just getting started on your luxury journey and you would like some help discovering your style, I made a video called 5 Easy Steps to Find Your Style. If you liked this video and appreciated this review, don't forget to show me some of that YouTube love, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye my loves.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.